Hey everyone, how you doing? It is Dr. Uke, and I am back after, I don't know, 2 years? It seems like I've been away for a while. Mainly I have been teaching private lessons or teaching through the local libraries here in town. So I wanted to rekindle, to restart my YouTube adventure, and we're going to start today with me going over the most efficient way to strum your ukulele. So if you're new to the ukulele, welcome. This is a beautiful, humble, peaceful instrument. I think you're going to love it. So strumming, well, what is strumming first of all? Strumming is a rhythmic pattern that kind of provides harmonic support for your song, okay? In other words, this is strumming, okay? I have a rhythm. So if I'm just holding down just the muted strings, okay, I can kind of jive with this. When I add the strings, okay, that's where the magic happens, okay? So, out of necessity, because I have terrible inflammation on my right hand, I can barely do this without it hurting, okay? So my piano days are numbered, but I'm glad that I found my ukulele. So, when I'm going down on my ukulele, I use the middle finger, and when I'm coming up, I use the thumb. Why? One, because it doesn't hurt, okay, and two, I am using the longest finger. So if I were to do this, the longest finger is what contacts the strings first, okay? And while I'm down here, the thumb is closest on my way up. So it's just very efficient. You can get a lot of speed with minimal effort, okay? So in addition to that, I am using the nail going both directions. So when I go down, I'm using the nail part of my middle finger. When I'm going up, I'm using the nail part of my thumb. So again, it makes for a more consistent sound. I used to do this, where I would go down with my thumb, the soft part of my thumb, and up with the nail. And if you're going for that sound, great, but that's more of like a boom, more of like a soft, loud kind of a thing, okay? I want a consistent sound, okay? And if I want to accent, then I can just do it by just giving each stroke a little more oomph, okay? Start slowly. That's the biggest mistake that I see a lot of beginner ukuleles do, is they just they watch a YouTube video, they see this professional, they see James Hill, they see Jake up there, and they're just strumming. But yeah, you got to work up to that, okay? So take your time when you're learning the ukulele or any instrument, and I think you'll see much better results, okay? Now, let's get that comment section going. Give me your questions. I want to know what other videos you want me to make, because I am back in full force, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.